If you're seeing ChatGPT Error Code 5, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to using ChatGPT as quickly as possible. This error can happen for a few different reasons, including a temporary glitch, a server-side issue, a bad connection, browser problems, VPN interference, or even an old chat session getting stuck. The good news is that most of the fixes are simple, and you can try them in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Let's get into the first fix right now. First, refresh the page. This is the quickest and easiest thing to try, and in many cases, it solves the issue instantly. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R or use the refresh button in your browser. A temporary glitch can sometimes trigger Error Code 5, and a simple refresh may clear it right away. If that doesn't work, move on to the next step. The second fix is to wait and try again. This is one of the most important steps because sometimes the problem is not on your device at all. ChatGPT or the server may be having a temporary issue, and those usually resolve quickly. Wait 1 to 5 minutes, then retry your request. If the error was caused by a short server interruption, this may be all it takes. Try the same prompt again after a short pause and see if it goes through. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily trigger loading problems or unexpected errors. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a hotspot or from a hotspot back to Wi-Fi, depending on what you're using. If possible, restart your router as well. That can help refresh your connection and clear small network problems. Once your internet is stable again, go back to ChatGPT and test it one more time. If the error is still showing, the next thing to try is starting a new chat. Sometimes an old conversation can get stuck or become corrupted, and that can cause problems when you try to send a message. Click New Chat and begin a fresh conversation. This helps rule out session-related issues and gives you a clean start. In many cases, the new chat works even when the old one does not. Another very common cause is a VPN or proxy. If you're using one, turn it off temporarily and reload the page. VPNs can sometimes interfere with ChatGPT connections or make the service think your traffic is unusual. Disabling the VPN or proxy can solve the error right away, especially if the issue disappears once the connection is direct again. After that, try loading ChatGPT again and see if the error is gone. If you're still having trouble, the next fix is to clear your cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause login issues, page errors, or strange behavior on websites like ChatGPT. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear the cached files and cookies, then restart your browser and sign in again if needed. This step often fixes stubborn browser-side problems that keep the error coming back. If that still doesn't solve it, try using Incognito Mode. This is a great troubleshooting step because Incognito Mode usually disables extensions and ignores old cached errors. Open a private window in your browser and log into ChatGPT there. If it works in Incognito Mode, then the issue is probably caused by a browser extension, cache data, or some other local setting in your regular browser window. From there, you can narrow down what's causing the problem and fix it more permanently. So to quickly recap, if you get ChatGPT Error Code 5, first refresh the page, then wait and try again, check your internet connection, start a new chat, turn off your VPN, clear cache and cookies, and finally, test in Incognito Mode. One of these fixes will usually get things working again. If this tutorial helped you solve the error, please hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.